Hello, good morning, dear students. I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapith Residential School, Shivpuri. Today, I am going to explain you how to write application to the collector or district collector about the encroachment or we can say that the construction, illegal construction in your colony. Okay, so this is a question before you. Write a letter to the district collector about illegal constructions and encroachment of green belt. Okay, so this is very interesting question which is asked in your examination. Okay, but this question is related to 11th and 12th. Okay, now come to the purpose, how to write this answer of this question. Okay, यू कैन से मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. ओके, इंक्रोचमेंट मीन्स होता है यानी कि अतिक्रमण करना. इलीगल मीन्स होता है गैर कानूनी तरीके से. ओके, ये कॉन्स्ट्रक्शन मीन्स होता है निर्माण करना. इलीगल मीन्स होता है अवैधानिक तरीके से निर्माण करना. इंक्रोचमेंट मीन्स होता है अतिक्रमण करना. और इन ग्रीन बेल्ट मीन्स होता है एक हरियाली क्षेत्र में जहाँ पर हरियाली छाई हुई है वहाँ पर सरकारी ज़मीन में कब्जा कर लेना अपना. ठीक है, नाउ कम टू राइट और हाउ टू राइट ए लेटर टू द कलेक्टर. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन राइट हेयर योर एड्रेस. ओके, यू कैन राइट योर एड्रेस हेयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम राइटिंग कॉलोनी नंबर यू कैन 471. ओके, आंसर के यू कैन राइट हियर. तो 47 और ए यू कैन राइट वेयर यू आर लिविंग, सो यू कैन राइट योर एड्रेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर लिविंग इन शांति नगर शिवपुरी. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट 47A शांति नगर शिवपुरी. And MP. Okay, and you can write here date. Okay, so you can write here date. Date means today's date you can write. For example, today is 14 July 2020. Next, you can write here the collector. The district collector you can write. Okay, the district collector Shivpuri. Okay, Shivpuri. Next you can write here subject. Okay, means what is your problem. Okay, for what you are writing this letter, that is subject. Okay, so you can write here illegal construction. Okay, this is the problem. Illegal construction and encroachment of the green belt. Okay, now come to the next step, that is you can write here subject. Okay, after this you can write here or you use sir. Okay, or you can write respected sir also you can write. Okay, sir, here you can write I would like to draw your kind attention kind attention towards the problem of illegal construction and encroachment in my colony. Okay, so this is very interesting point for you. Okay, so after this you can write, or it has been occupied by the builder. Okay, it has been occupied, means this place has been occupied by the builder. So, okay, occupied by this builder. He has built a shopping, you can write shopping complex. Okay, shopping complex he has built a shopping complex here, therefore you can use. Okay, and I request you, you can write here. Okay, because this is a problem, you are requesting to the collector. I request you, you can write here. I request you, I request you on behalf of Shantinagar to demolish. Okay, to demolish the unauthorized, you can see. Okay, unauthorized construction. Okay, so and lastly you can write thank you. Okay, and lastly at the bottom left side you can write your name. Thanking you also you can write thanking you in anticipation also. Thanking you also write you can. Okay, or lastly you can thank you. I remain and you can write yours faithfully. Yours faithfully, and you can write your name also. For example, Madanlal Singh, Madanlal Dhingra ji, or Karan Singh, Patel, Karan Singh Patel, and date you can write here. Okay, date also it has been written above. Okay, so it is complete. Okay, whenever you feel any difficulty in this letter, I will explain you. Okay, so some meanings I will explain you. Okay, so you can write here address, this is salutation, and this is subject. Subject means problem. Okay, what's the problem in your colony or in your locality, you can write that problem. So problem will be subject. Okay, here you can write sir or respected sir also you can write. Okay, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the problem of illegal constructions and encroachment in my colony. It has been occupied by the builder. He has built a shopping complex here. So therefore also you can use. So I request you, therefore you can use here. I request you on behalf of Shanti Nagar to demolish the unauthorized construction in my colony, in my locality. Okay, so you can write, or thank you. Also you can write here thanking in anticipation also. So I remain and yours faithfully. Also you can write here your sincerely. Okay, so Karan Singh, as your name also you can write your name. Well, so it's very interesting for you, and some words are very difficult for you. Encroachment you can write in the meaning also, means atikramana. Okay, atikramana. Next is the construction, means निर्माण करना. ओके, एंड इलीगल मीन्स होता अवैधानिक या असंवैधानिक, या कह सकते हैं अवैधानिक. वेल, any difficult meaning? Attention, you know very well, means paying attention. Attention means it is related to attention. Okay, and next towards माना की ओर. Okay, की ओर. Next meaning shopping, you know very well. Complex, you know very well that thing. Okay, there is no any other difficult meaning. Request, you know. Demolish means होता है नष्ट करना, हटाना उसको. Okay, so this is very interesting letter to the district collector how to write. So I explained you this method. So I hope you will have understood this factor. Okay, so thank you to watch my channel regularly, and I am also committed, I am also devoted in your service. I will always bring you very interesting videos through which you can improve your English language. Well, so thank you to join with me.